So this is the package that I got after claiming the warranty. So let's see what happened to your product, what is inside this particular package. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video what we're gonna do is we are going to claim the warranty of a boat product. Usually boat products comes with a 6-month warranty as well as some products come with a 1-year warranty. But people are confused like, is this true? Do they actually give you warranty? So in this video what we're gonna do is, in last October during the big billion days, I had purchased a boat product called the Boat Rocus 235 V2. So this is basically a Bluetooth headset. It was working fine until maybe 3 weeks back. What happened was it was not powering on. So I'll take you through the process through which I claimed the warranty of this boat product. So first what you're gonna do is you have to go to the boat's official website. So official website of boat is like boatlifestyle.com. So you have to go to this particular website. So you'll be seeing all the boat products listed there. You have to scroll down and get to the last section of the web page. There you will be seeing something called warranty and support. You have to click on that and you can see register a complaint there. Click on register a complaint. So in this page what they'll be asking is you have to choose your category of the product. So basically this is a Bluetooth headset. So I'll click on the Bluetooth headset from that drop down menu. And second thing is you have to select which is your Bluetooth headset. So you have to just type the name of your Bluetooth headset. You'll be getting the recommendations just below that. Click on which is your product. So this is Boat Rocus 235 V2 blue color. So I'll be clicking on that. And then third place we have to give the pin code of our place. So this is just for checking if this particular feature is available in your city. So just give your pin code and then click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you will be getting this page. So in this page, basically what you have to do is you have to fill your name, you have to give the correct mobile number, you have to give the email address and just fill or whatever the data they are asking. And then bottom you'll be seeing a drop down for selecting the problem. So you can see a set of problems which usually occurs with these devices. So here it's a power on failure. So I'm selecting power on failure. And again you have a big text box where you can write briefly about what is the issue that you are particularly facing with your product. So just give there the issue, as well as you can also give from where you purchase this product. Usually this product sells in Flipkart, Amazon, Paytm Mall, then Myntra, Snapdeal and all. So you can choose from which you purchase. Even if you purchase from an offline retailer, that also you can select. So that is a last option there. So here I bought from Flipkart, so I'm selecting Flipkart. And then in the bottom you can see a place where you can upload the invoice of your product. So this step is mandatory because you have to have the invoice of your product. So if you have bought on Flipkart, then you can directly download from your Flipkart application. If it's from an offline retail store, then you have to scan and upload that particular invoice. So once you upload the invoice, just next to that you can see a purchase date column. There you have to give the exact purchase date as how it was in your invoice. So once you complete all these steps, just click on I agree to terms and conditions and then check that I am not raw about that particular captcha and then submit your application. Once you submit your application, immediately you will be getting an SMS on your phone number as well as an email stating that we have received your complaint, we are looking through your bill and all. If you are eligible for claiming your warranty, we will get back to you in 2-3 days. So on February 10th, I did this particular step and I got the particular SMS and I was waiting. And within 1 day, on February 11th, I can see that they have verified my bill invoice and they are like, okay, your product is under warranty and we'll be contacting you shortly for the next proceeding steps. And then immediately on that day, I got an SMS from Blue Dart. So in this SMS they have written that they have initiated a pickup of your product through Blue Dart and they have given me a AWB waybill number. So within 5 business days your product will be picked up by Blue Dart Courier Service. And then I got a tracking number also. So here one thing you have to note down is that in the SMS you will be getting brief details. So you have to go to your mail and in that mail they have explained the process of how this particular warranty claiming works, as well as how you have to give to the courier partner. So they have strictly mentioned that you should never give the original product box. So original product box should not be handed over to the courier agent, as well as whatever accessories you got along with your original product, that also should not be handed over to your courier provider. So what you have to do is you have to take your earphone, you have to take a box and put it inside and pack it neatly so that during transit it doesn't get damaged. So once you do that, you should not actually stick the tape and all around it. So next day, I think on 13th February, one guy from Blue Dart came to my house. He checked if the product is the same thing, and then he itself packed it and he took it from me. So the Blue Dart had a tracking number, so I tracked it, and the product was actually going to Mumbai. So it took around 2 days to reach Mumbai. So on 15th, the product got reached into Mumbai, and then I got an SMS stating that the product has reached to our service centers, and then they told that they need 2 days in order to check your product and test it, and then they'll let you know what is the next procedures. And as promised, within 2 days, on February 17th, I got a response from Boat. So in this response, they have clearly written that the product is actually eligible for a replacement. So they are issuing a replacement, and within 5 business days, it will reach to you. And on the very next day, that is 18th February, I got another response from Boat stating that your item has been shipped from Boat and will reach to you within 9 to 12 days. Similarly, on the same day, I again got a tracking number from Blue Dart, so that was also coming from Mumbai. And then on 20th February morning, I got an SMS from Blue Dart that your product is out for delivery, and within afternoon, I got a package from Boat. So this is the package that I got after claiming the warranty. So let's see what happened to your product, what is inside this particular package. Okay, so this is what I got from Boat. So this is the Boat Rocus 235 V2, but only thing which is different is the color. So this is a red color unit. So what I sent to them was a blue color unit. So when I saw this, I was actually like, was I scammed? Is it a used product? But again, with the package, I got some other things, like I got the red color charging cable as well as some extra ear tips. So this is a fresh unit, nobody has used it yet. Just that this has not came in the original packaging. That's the only difference. Rest everything is there, and this is properly working. So then I thought like I'll reach out to Boat again and tell that I've given a blue one and I got a red one. But then I suddenly remembered in one of the messages sent by Boat, they have clearly mentioned that if your product is eligible for a replacement, then the color of the unit which you are getting in the replaced product, it is subjected to vary according to the availability and stock. So that means the blue color was not in stock with them, and that is why I received a red color Boat Rocus 235 V2. But actually I am very much satisfied, because they had initially told it might take 20 to 30 days, but this was a really fast response from Boat. So I'm really happy with the service that Boat is providing to you. So people who are thinking like the warranty claiming and all the things related to Boat is fake, so this is a proof for you guys. So that is, warranty is a legit thing. This actually works with Boat. And so from this video, I hope you guys got an idea of how to claim warranty of your Boat products, as well as do they actually give you the real ones. So if you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon and click on all notifications so that you don't miss out any new video. Until next time, bye bye.